Hey guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, if you're just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. And my name is Medilock. Please join us. Even though I know you're just seeing us for the first time, subscribe to our channel and be a part of this family. On this channel, we make a lot of sense. Yes, we discuss simple solution to life. We talk about things that will give us solution to life without necessarily going diabolical. Yes. So guys, before we talk about what we want to discuss in this video today, I think it's all about how to make things work for you. Yes. And why things are not working for you. You understand? But the problem we have with people is that some people, they don't want to pay, they don't want to learn, they don't want to know. They just want to use spirituality. If you don't have understanding of spirituality, spiritual products may not work for you. Yes, it may not work for you because you don't understand it. You don't understand what you need to do. It's in stages. It will even come to a point you don't even need to use anything. You don't need to pray, just use it and it will be working. Why? Because you are taking care of other matters. And what are these other matters? Other matters are those things that hinders your prayer from being answered. Yes. If you are having, you have need for spiritual cleansing and you have not done cleansing, spiritual things will not work for you. Even when you pray, ordinary prayer, you just stand and bind and cast, it will just be shouting and shouting. Yes, because I told us last time that spirituality is not about shouting and shouting. Yes, it is about knowing the principles that guides spirituality. When you know these principles and you follow them with clean hands, you will get answers to whatever is bothering you. And your enemies will not be able to withstand you. Your enemies will begin to miss targets. And your enemies, if they are not careful, they will kill themselves. And this is why on this channel, I used to tell us that we don't kill our enemies. Okay? But we allow our enemies to use their own hands to kill themselves. Yes. When an enemy said they don't want to leave you alone, you draw a line for them. And how do you draw a line for your enemy? You sign their death warrant. When you sign a death warrant of your enemy, they will be the one that will go and kill themselves, not you. You just face your front, carry go, nothing do you. That is how life is supposed to be. You are not supposed to waste your hand, waste your energy to go and be attacking enemies up and down. Face your front, let your hands be clean, let your heart be clean, have faith, and you will see wonders happening in your life. But you need cleansing. And I discussed with us on this channel that we can use salt. Salt is one of the strongest cleanser that we have, spiritually. When you go to church, you pray, you do this, you do that, you go to mosque, you go to church, anywhere, you pray, and then you're not getting answers. You go to mountains, you go to valleys to go and pray, and yet no answers. Do salt baths, and you will see that your life will start changing. Yes. As a man, you can face disappointment. As a woman, you can face disappointment. Anybody can face failure or limitation or setback. But when you begin to face some kind of setback and things are beginning to look somehow, the best thing that you need to do is to carry out salt bath. When you do salt bath, you will see. Give yourself some time, you begin to notice change. But your confession also matters. Okay? When you confess faith, even when you have not seen the evidence of those things, but you are hoping for them, you will see that those things are going to pass in your life. But when you are using your mouth to say this and that negatively, whatever prayer you are doing, you're wasting your time. It will not work. Even if they take you to gate of heaven and give you something, you will not get it. But this morning, I want to tell us how to use this as a spiritual messenger. This is Eya. Why I want to talk about Eya again is because some people are calling me and asking me, what is Eya? How do we use Eya? Eya is this Eya I am selling on this channel is because I am desperately looking for simple solution for us. On your own, you can use Eya and speak to your situation. You can call your ex back with Eya. You can command and remote control everything with Eya. You use Eya and then alligator pepper. This one is already opened, This is spiritual alligator pepper. We have different types of alligator pepper. So all you need is just this. Okay? So I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
So you're welcome to our channel. You're welcome back. Yes, see, what you just saw there is this. This is back to sender. This is back to sender. This is highly potent. And this is anti-bullet powder. Once you finish this one, you will take it in 3 days inside pap without sugar. Nothing do you. This is anti-bullet. It is in powder form. There is a ring. The ring, you don't need to wear it on your hand. You can just put it inside your wallet or inside your purse or inside your handbag or in your pocket. That is all. But this one, nothing can spoil this one. Except they take you to the hospital and remove your blood. That is when it will stop working. As long as you are living and you have the blood in your vein, this one, anti-bullet, it will be working for you. Somebody will not just come and open fire on you. When they open fire, it will activate itself immediately. Yes. So, but if you are an armed robber, this one, it will not work for you. It will not work for you. If you are an armed robber, it will not work for you. So, don't call me to place order for it. But if your son is in the army, your son they are posting your son, is training ground, you send your son to army school, he will graduate, they will go and do parade, they will dress him, everything. After 6 months, they will take his corpse to National Burial Center and bury him. Then you see them, you are not wise. Yes, you're not wise. But once you have your son, your daughter in the army, these are little ways of protecting your children apart from binding and casting at home. Get them this thing. Let your children, let your son drink it. Let your daughter drink it. They will go to that place and come back. Yes, whatever bullet or gun they are shooting, they will not kill them. The bullet will hit them and come down like pebbles. But you are a mother, you are a father, you're watching this video today, and your son is in training ground, Navy, whatever they call it, whether in a foreign country or in Nigeria. Please fortify your children so that you will not lose them. Because anybody that signed for that is already signing for their death, but not too young. Yes, some people work and retire. My father was an ex-military officer. was a high-ranking military officer in Nigeria. He worked and retired. He fought wars. Yes. So there are ways and there are ways. Get wisdom so that you will not cry when you are not supposed to cry. Okay? So this one is atekpa. This is spiritual poison neutralizer. If you have atekpa in your house, witches and wizards, they will not even fly over your roof. They can't even enter your house. Yes. And if you're already in your house, you are living with resident evil in your house, you know something is wrong. Somebody, maybe your maid or whatever, is possessed in your house. You can use cinnamon stick, this type. Look at it here. Look at it very well. If you didn't get this type, it is not the one. Okay? This type, you can just break few pieces of it. You know, just I don't want to like disfigure this one. Just cut it a little bit, break it, put it inside a pot, put water, put the pot on fire, and open pot. Don't cover it. If you cover it, it doesn't even matter. But leave it open. Put water and be boiling it. As it continue to boil, the flavor, the aroma will go around the whole house. Do this on regular basis. See, two things will happen. Either the demon inside that your maid or whoever, the demon will vacate the house, will leave that body, will leave the house, or the person will carry himself and the demon and go. Okay, so guys, please, let's try these things and see how it goes with us. Okay, thank you. Have a